Alliteration. My dear friends, today we are going to learn alliteration. It is one of the most important figure of speeches in English language. The repetition of an initial consonant sound in words to create an effect is called alliteration. Example: the long, languid line of lazy limousines. Alliteration is the repetition of consonant sound in a sequence of nearby words. Usually, the term is applied only to consonant sounds. Alliteration happens when the recurrent sound is made emphatic, because it begins a word on a stressed syllable within a word. Alliteration is a multi-purpose literary device, and its use can impact us in a variety of ways. Example: Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. More examples: the child bounced the ball at the backyard barbecue. She happily helped the homeless. The lion licked his lips. Alliterative names: Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, and Sylvester Stallone. Alliteration in poetry and song. And baby, now we have got bad blood. Taylor Swift. They paved paradise and put up a parking lot. Johnny Mitchell. When I see birches bend to left and right. Robert Frost. Dear friends, write wittily without wrong. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for your patience. If you have enjoyed, kindly like, share and comment. This was a presentation by Paul MASIH. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed, please do the needful. Thank you very much. Have a good day.